block you know. Me say me not chatting with none of you again. When you come for my life, me even not heal you know. Me, now heal you know, enough of you California, big up the damn self. California, enough of them check in and me want to see comment and then now comment. I swear to God, me black off every bum buckle body off of this. Everyone I know. You better blood clot watch from afar. Come here, wait to see someone to comment. I start telling my people themselves black. All of them say I want to pretty black them. We don't want to mix up over here, sir. I mean, I'm negative. Just block them off from my life. Please and thank you. And if you see none of X gang member them, go over there, trouble them over there, write down their names so we block them too. Because we're not trouble nobody. Thank you, please. I can't do it. I'm too old for this. Come on, dog. Come on, Jamaica 70 talk. Do not do this too much now. Anybody say nothing, block them off from my life, brother. We don't want a negative over here. I'm not deported. Me coming out don't do that. I'm not afraid. I'm what your fault. God, I almost send boat come to me and me can send me boat. Me can send that boat come to me and deport it. Me can when I send me that yellow suit, you give me a boat. That means I mean a banana. Yes, you see later, want to give me a big banana. Me no boat. No boat. Thursday your birthday? Yeah, no boat. No, listen to me I say. Miss Boss Lady Allison match is Thursday 2 p.m. 2 p.m. 2 p.m. Are you see? Live performance by me. Yeah, tell them that. Me, live performance by me. So after night, we are go for Boss Lady and we are going to set a boom. And we are going to party. Then I go over and go party with them. Then I come back for my life and party with you. So I get it right. Yes. So Thursday I want to kick off my morning with pedicures. In the morning I want to go to do my pedicures. And then I'll go wash my hair. So who's gonna do my pedicure for me? No, I said in the morning, Thursday morning, 8 o'clock, I wanna do my pedicure. One name so. Pedicure is when you take your feet and put it in warm water and it bubble on your feet. When it bubble on your feet, the carbon fibers that in your toes, it evaporates because the water is warm and bubble and they put liquid in your feet. So the dyers at the feet have the water. Then I want to go do my nails. Yes, I want them to file down on one levels, clean the sides out and clip it, please. So, manicure and hands. Who I pay for my massage? The watch dope. Yeah, Miss Boss Lady. You know some Miss Boss Lady? Me buy for my birthday. Miss Boss Lady, I don't want nothing else for my birthday more than this. I want clean shoes. I want clean shirt. Because me not fussing about Miss Boss Lady. Miss Boss Lady, me not put my hand on my basket can't reach, you know. Say for this me I wear. You understand, Boss Lady? I me not put this over counter and order nothing. This now go over counter and order nothing, Boss Lady. Say for this me have this, but I work hard for this. Enough time to get up and go through window night time, Boss Lady. Like a spider blood clot, man. Boss Lady, me have my TV if you live in microwave, no appliance. Right now, I have a microwave I sell. Right now. When I say this a microwave, I got 80. 180 till I get feet. I will send boat. No, send me the boat. boss lady, I have a microwave them hot. I just send it got 80 right now, $180 US. So imagine me send 20 microwave got 80. When the food come back up by some Miss Boss Lady, I will pack it. So you understand, I just all this I rotate and I think set, you know. So this I got 80, you know? Yeah. Boss Lady, right now I can go to the road and get this right now for $40. Every meal make a knuckle, me a real hustler. No, this can sell right now. Right now, out the road. $40. Hustle, me a hustler. Yeah, me like flip things. You understand? Yeah, me like flip things. When I feel like Miss Boss Lady, Miss Boss Lady, look for your page and see that you like you're a doctor. Miss Boss Lady, when I wake up in the morning time, my eyes, I gotta go like this. Because it's like my eyes is getting flus. Everybody see me in that party, they say, oh my God, here you're so tall. Me never know say I say you're tall. Jenny, Miss Boston, everybody see me, you don't know, you so tall in real life. Me say, everybody know me tall, but Jenny catch me right, that's all. Me can put me on by Jenny head so. So. No, that's how me tall. You will call me? No, me over here start Miss Boston and enjoy myself. When me at you, if Miss Boston now go there with me no more, Miss Boston I'm going with you, bro. No. They said, when you're outside, man, I take a look of 5 minutes and no size up with the house. Me know myself. So Miss Boston, the rest of the little side, man, make me stay for yourself. You know, I'm going to size up with the house. Me no size up with the house, man. Husband, me alright. Make you stay over there, son. Yes, it's your birthday. We vibes in. Yes, we vibes in. Uno go on. Me no size up with husband. Husband, them a boss. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we have vibes. We just have vibes. Ooh. We have vibes, man. Chabas, step on TikTok too. Chabas, step on TikTok too. Mirage class, somebody send me 3 zillion. How would somebody I love me so? Me bumbo class, $3 zillion. A sign. A sign. 3 zillion. If me want to go to Dubai for my birthday, nah, I want to go to Alaska. You should have this Barney. And the man where you fuck, you should have fuck him because you look pop down. You should have fuck a better man who can elevate in a life, bitch. And every man you have to fuck. Fuck man will make you look good. That's why your wig looks up on your blood clot profile picture. Get the fuck off my life now and block that bitch. Don't disturb the legend. Bombo Clan! You have to get somebody you follow. Me Bombo Clan, me just follow you. Yo! Yo! Me just follow you. Me say anybody, me say me just follow you to blood clot. Don't disturb the legend. Me just follow you, mama. Me like what you just said. Don't disturb the legend. Jollian! I love that little boy. He's so smart. That Zai, I could have tell him, say, I could have pressed him off. I did have to answer it and said, Daddy gonna call him back. Daddy's in the meetings. People, I can't tell you something, dog. Can be real with you something, dog. Mika, Chevy, Ginny, they read them place. It wasn't a party, it wasn't an event. We went over there to have fun. Nobody didn't know I was popping up but Chevy. I didn't go to the house no other day because I was busy. I go to the house Sunday. We start gambling. I lose a lot of fucking money. In the night, because it was supposed to be fun. In the night, we start gambling. I will start gambling. In the night, people pop up. The people in the rule like Airbnb was a lot of people cannot be there. Things were done and who have left. I was not the one in control of nothing. If nobody get put out of the house, I can't bring Mika and Chevy them to my house. You know why? My woman now go like blood like that. So I'm going to pack up Chevy them and Mika them in my house. I also make Swissley comfortable because I'm the promoter. If you are keep a party, if you are the fucking promoter, I put Vonnie here and I put Swissley here. So everybody fucking comfortable. If you didn't want to, why you come here, go on an Airbnb my book. No, only make me look like I'm a pussy wall. But one thing me I try to tell you now. I don't care. Don't disturb the legend. One legend. Yo, people, so we come live later. What? Everybody put up in that comment, legend. Bumbucker. Me like it. Me like it. Me blood clot. Me like it. Me a blood clot legend. But I personally believe this is no one business other than the persons involved. Thank you. I was involved. Legend. Yo, don't disturb the legend. Don't. Legend with an X. Thank you. I'm blessed. I'm so fucking blessed, bro. So my people, them, everybody I tell me so they reach back in them place. Alright, my G. Big up your damn self for your support. I hear that? Respect. Mad. Legend. And I just done with that. We're gonna start back. Taps and Roses! Shut them on my side! Shoot! Shoot! Taps and Roses, my team! Tap up and scream! Tap up and scream, my team! My team, tap up and scream! Tap up and scream, my team! Come on, my team! 500,000 likes! Taps and Roses! Shut them on! 2 times! My team, 2 times on the shoot! On the shoot, my team! 1 money gun! On the shoot! 2 times! Shoot! 20 seconds left, X-Gang! X-Gang! Shoot! Taps and Roses! Tap up and scream! Snipe! Yo, watch it snipe. Yo, watch it snipe. Yo, watch it snipe. Yo, watch it snipe. Watch it snipe. Yo, watch it snipe. Watch it snipe. Yo, 5 seconds left. Watch it snipe. Watch it snipe. 1 second left. Bomba clock! Yeah! Baby, I'm clock! Weird! Watch the blood clot snipe! I did it again! Watch it snipe! Hey boy, you know I'm a team! Look up the wall, boy! Come on for me life, me not play no match with you! Exit off for me life, me not play no match with you, boy! You're tough! So I did it again! Black, black, black! Next match! Taps and Roses, my team! My blood clot!